So in this video, you'll learn how to exit safe mode on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So if you've previously entered safe mode and you're curious as to how you're going to exit it, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to start by accessing the power off menu. Now you can long press on the side button to bring it up, or you can swipe down for quick settings and then tap on the power icon. Once you're in the power off menu, you're then going to select restart and tap on restart again to confirm the restart. From here, it means that you've successfully exited the power off menu. So simply wait for your phone to just finish up the process. And once it's finished restarting your phone, you can see even the safe mode tag has disappeared and the apps are now available for you to open as they're no longer disabled, which means you successfully exited safe mode on your Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.